beautiful friends, I am back at Dollar Tree, so let's jump right into it and see what we can find today. So hope you're having a wonderful day so far. And first thing I'm seeing are the classic little bells in the Christmas section. And they have a tons of paper plates, the classics. And of course you gotta have Santa, have the poinsettias, and snowman. And don't make fun of me because I'm sure I'm probably misspelling that or mispronouncing it. But let's go around and see what we can find today. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up just a quick sec. I know we're focusing on Christmas, but check these out. I haven't seen these before. These are brand new in the fall decor section. These are gorgeous. Okay, come through Dollar Tree with your fancy decor. How nice are those? Definitely not expected. All right, let's keep looking over here and see what we can find. All right, so I'm definitely loving these. These are definitely new. I hadn't seen these. Look at these little picture ornaments. That is definitely cute. And then they have the Santa and the little reindeer. How cute is that? Very cute. So definitely very custom. Oh my God, gingerbread. I'm like, I'm all excited. And then they have the little penguin. How cute are these? Definitely, I'm gonna grab these because I know. Oh my God, yeah, I'm gonna grab a couple of these. These are so stinking cute. Um, yeah, I think those are definitely great little items because they'll definitely be one of a kind. And I think we've seen these from previous years. Let's see if there's different ones. Nope, it's the same. Oop, let me not make a mess. All right, and let's see. I think we've seen a couple. We've already seen a lot of these, so I won't bore you. If I do see anything new, I'll definitely stop. I wonder if they're gonna bring back the white ones though. I remember the solid, just the solid color ones. Those I know were really popular when they first came out. Actually, last year, even last year too, they were still really popular. Ooh, these are nice. I like that material. Very nice, and they do have two different shapes actually. Yeah, so it's not bad. Pretty good size for $1.25. And I think this store doesn't have a lot of ornaments out yet, but if there's anything else scattered in the store, I'll definitely be sure to show you guys. I got you guys a look at these cute little ornaments. They have Baby Shark, Peppa Pig, SpongeBob, and Patrick. These are so stinking cute. I just stopped at a second location just to make sure if I found anything else. And these are definitely new, so I'm excited that I actually stopped in. So let's keep looking and see what other items we can find. And I haven't seen these yet. These are actually really nice. Love this pattern. Really, really nice actually. Let's see. They have these. And they have the red one. I wonder if they have like a gray one as well, just to kind of match with it. Oh wait, they have those that have the little reindeer. So that's pretty cute. So I think they're actually stocking more Christmas right now. So hopefully we can see some other goodies today. So let's continue on and see what else we can find. Oh, check these out. They have these little felt ornament kits, a little Christmas tree. They also have the snowman. And of course, gotta have the gingerbread man. Gingerbread man is all the rage this year. And they also have the little crafting jars this year again. They brought these back. I actually like this one the best. Ooh, there we go. It has a little candy cane print on it. And then they also have the green one. So you have green, gold, and the candy cane. So you have three to choose from. I don't know if I've seen these yet. These gnome stockings. These are really cute actually. I think I saw somebody show like a brown one as well, like with the little brown nose. So I'm sure they'll probably get those as well. Let's keep looking and see what else we can find. Oh, almost missed these. They brought back the Christmas soaps, which I know everyone loves. I've actually bought these before, and I think I talked. Oh, this one's empty. I remember I bought this one last year, and I actually used it. It was really, really good. Actually, it smelled really nice. So, don't be shy about using it. You could always just, refill it up with water, and just use it as decoration if you want to. But definitely recommend it. Oh, and they have the little Nomi LED lights as well. So very cute. Oh, and check this out. This store definitely just got their trees in. They are fully stocked. And the first store that I actually showed them at completely sold out already. So I'm going to grab a couple of those. Because stuff is telling to sell fast, which is crazy to even think about because we're just in the beginning of October. But yeah. Oh, one thing I know a lot of people have already asked me about my Christmas card exchange. I do one every year. I'm actually going to be announcing the details the first week of November because I figure right now it's still too early. But yes, I will be doing it again this year, and I will be including international subscribers as well, or little 99ers as I like to call you guys. So definitely will be including opening it out for international subscribers as well. All right, let's continue on and see what else we can find. Oh my god, look at these. How cute are those? Cute little gnomies. And this one's missing one. The little gingerbread man is missing someone. I'm guessing it's missing the actual gingerbread. But yeah, those are cute. Now I'm so curious as to who it was because there's no other ones. Looks like someone just ripped it. I hate when people do that. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I hate when people steal. Especially when they just literally take half an item. But anyway, look at these ribbons. These are so stinking cute. I love these. Speaking of gnomes, I almost missed these as well. Look at these. They have 3 different kinds. One with the little gift box, one with the snowflake, and one with the little candy cane. These are so adorable. And I actually look through the box to make sure that there's no other ones. So these are the 3 designs. But I really like these you could always take this off and just hang it on your wall or whatever you want. You want to actually stick it outside. But yeah, I thought these were really cute and really nice though. And the only thing just to note is there's a lot of glitter on them. So hairspray paint them before you use it. And the gnomies are back. I think I've seen a lot of these last year, but definitely want to show everything that I'm seeing today with you guys. I think this one is new though. I could be wrong, but some of them do feel familiar. There's so much that I feel like we've seen between all the dollar stores that I sometimes tend to forget. I don't necessarily buy everything, but I definitely see a lot. Oh, these are gorgeous. I think I saw these last week or the week before. I can't remember. But these are so beautiful. Glass, honestly, $1. This is such a steal. Seriously, you guys, this is definitely a must-have. Definitely worth the value. $1.25 is really a good steal, so snatch them up while you can. Yeah, I think we saw these last week. Check these out. Home Sweet Gnomes, Baking Spring Sprite. And then they have the snowman. I think we've definitely seen these last week as well. Cookies for Santa and such. So, very cute. And check out these gorgeous holiday fabrics. They have tons of them. Let's see, they have this Santa one. Oh, and sorry, those are little gnomies. And they have the classic red truck. And let's see, they have the candy canes. And then this one right here, the candy cane print. There's so many. Oh my god, these are so stinking cute. I know so many of you are crafters, and I would absolutely love to see what you guys will do with those. So definitely grab them when you can. And these papers are so cute. I know these are meant for gifts, but I'm sure a lot of you will be using them for crafting. I love the little pattern. And then they even have this gorgeous one, this red one. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely snatch them up. And as a quick reminder, I just posted a Ross walkthrough. There is tons and tons of Christmas out. Very, very affordable. So I will link that video down below. Oh my god, look at these little cones. You're terrific. Well done rather. Welcome. I'm seeing it says awesome. You're terrific. These are in the office supply section. And I did want to show these to you. I know I showed a couple of the items last week, but this store actually has even more. Look at they have the plaid pattern. And they even have these little bins. How cute are those? And then these are also, I know a lot of people were wondering what these are. These are little pencil holders. These are so cute though. Definitely, if you like pastel colors, you'll definitely love those. And if you're a farmhouse lover, I think you might actually love these as well. Yet this other store did not have those, so it's always nice to kind of hop around different Dollar Trees because you never know what you'll find. Okay, so I came to a second location and they have more of the plaid set, but also they do have these. I'm not really sure how you would use them, um, but they have these as well. Like they're look little like a little filing cabinet, and they also is a larger version of the these containers. So that is definitely a great deal if you want to do the whole set. This is pretty much I think all of it for $1.25 per piece. So yeah, it's definitely a cute little item for fall or even for year round. I don't know. I don't know why it's just it was like only fall exclusive. But yeah, maybe some people do change out their desk organization items per season. I don't know. I'm not here to judge. But anyway, let's continue on to see what other items we could find. Oh, and these are definitely fall vibes. Check these out. Really nice. You could fill them up with a little oil essence. I like this one as well. Pretty cute. And they also have this kind of clear one with the clear top, and then the blue leaf. I mean the green leaf as well. Oh wait, there's a pink one. They're really nice. Kind of these kind of give me like mermaid vibes. Wait, where are these at? Huh. Bountiful harvest. Okay, so this is definitely fall. Huh, I wonder if there's any more. I'm gonna have to look for that. But yeah, these are so cute. And these are such a great deal. I literally was just walking by the candle section, and these caught my eye because look how big they are. Normally, this would be like this is bigger than the ones at Target's Dollar Spot, which sell for $3. So, if you like pastel colors, definitely grab these. They don't they have a little bit of scent. Okay, this one definitely smells like grapes, and then this one doesn't really smell like anything pleasant, but nothing bad. But yeah, it just kind of smells like regular candles. But anyway, I thought this was a really good deal. I mean, look at that. Look at the size. These are huge. So, well, since we're here, I'm gonna see if there's anything in these little bins. These are just the. I think we've seen those before. This one's cute. I don't want to make a mess. Okay, let me clean that up. Well, this is a new item here at I'm sorry, Dollar Tree. They have the Kendall and Kylie makeup bags. What? They're like little pouches. Let's see. Huh. Very interesting. Yeah, these are. They have the little unicorn. It just says Kendall and Kylie. So if you're a huge fan, definitely check out your local Dollar Tree because they've hit the Dollar Tree. Alright, I don't see anything else in the makeup section, so let's continue on with the rest of the store. It's funny how you were looking for one thing and you somehow end up finding something else. Like I was literally looking for something else and I just saw these caught my eye. These are the rose scented beautiful bath shower gel, and then they also have this one, which is the sage and cedar scent. Huh. Very interesting shower gels. I don't see anything else with it, but I'm just wondering if there was like a whole set of it. But they definitely have those. They smell pretty good. I actually smelled it before I filmed it, but yeah. So if you guys see them, let me know if you guys tried, or if you tried, let me know what you think. I definitely wanted to show this to you guys. Definitely caught my eye. I like that it has a little stand at the bottom right there. I haven't seen these before, so definitely a good deal. And then they have tons of goodie. If you guys love that brand, they are back in stock here. There is tons of them, so hope you can snatch them up. And then these also caught my eye. These are cute little combs. I like that print. Very loud. And this one very kind of spacey looking. But yeah, they have tons of new hairbrushes. So if you guys are in need, they have tons of them here at Dollar Tree. And for the little girls, they have tons of little JoJo bows. They also have LOL dolls and Frozen. So actually, this would be cute to use as a birthday gift bow instead of using like regular bows. And that way they can actually use it afterwards. So cute little idea on the spot. If you guys want to throw a candy themed party, these are back fully stocked. And no, actually, these are really popular. They come every year and always sell out. So if you want to do like a candy themed party or just whatever kind of party, they have these back and they're all $125. And again, they do go fast. And they actually even have the little candy shovels. So they also only have the pink ones, but still you can kind of mix and match for $1. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. I do have plenty of videos up right now if you want to check them out, so hang out with me. So thank you again for watching. Have a great day, have a great evening, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.